Hi, I'm Colin McIntyre, and in this short video today I want to show you how to use your funnel franchise system but with Leadpages as your page builder. So that's a new option that's been added to Funnel Franchise, and Funnel Franchise is the best affiliate marketing system that I know, full stop. But recently it's been improved, and we've now got the ability to build pages with the Conversion Pros and with Leadpages for the first time. And very specifically today, what I want to talk about is a nifty little feature in Leadpages which allows you to take the templates that Mark Whiteley provides you in Funnel Franchise and actually to install them on any domain that you own, providing you know your way around your hosting site's Cpanel. So that's what I'm going to talk about today. I've shot a few videos. I'm now going to add the voiceover. If it's useful to you, and hopefully it is, please subscribe at the end of the video, where you'll find lots of other videos which give you some tips around using Funnel Franchise and similar internet marketing tips. But also have a look at Funnel Franchise. I'm sure you won't regret it. So just to give you the example of what I'm talking about, once you've inloaded your opt-in and your thank you page from the Funnel Franchise system, so you've brought in the templates into Leadpages, they will then be set up on your lead page subdomain. So mine's colinmcintyre.leadpages, and I called the opt-in page Fun Fran. And then the thank you page again on my Leadpages subdomain, and I called it Funnel Fran Thanks. So those two are on Leadpages. Now what I'm going to show you is if you want to put them onto a site you already own through your hosting Cpanel. So what you get there is this. So I've added these two files to my Colin T McIntyre Online. colinmcintyreonline.com. So that's my opt-in page, and that's my thank you page. So that's what I'm going to cover in this video. Firstly, you need to log into Leadpages and look at your Leadpages. And you go to Publishing Options and HTML and download the dynamic HTML file and save it. So this is for the opt-in page. And then we're going to do the same for the thank you page. So publishing options, HTML, download dynamic HTML and save those files. So those are the two files we're going to upload into our hosting. So I'm logged into my Cpanel on my hosting, which is SiteGround. Use File Manager and go to the domain that I'm going to install the files on. Okay, so I'm on that domain and I need to create a folder first of all for the opt-in page. So I'm going to call it funnel_franchise. So I then need to log into that folder, which will be empty. I've only just created it. I need to upload the first of the files. So that first file was the opt-in file. And now that's installed, refresh in the folder and that should show me that file. So that file is now in there, so that's the opt-in page, the squeeze page, but I need to select it and rename it as index.html. So right click when it's selected, you get the option to rename and you change that to index.html. And what I know is that's going to be the end of my URL when I want to load that file. Okay, so you can now see that that's now on my domain slash funnel underscore franchise. So we're just going to do the same procedure for the thank you page. So it's create a folder, go into the folder, upload the file. So upload the second file that we downloaded in Leadpages. So once it's uploaded, refresh so you can see the new file that's just been uploaded. Select it, right click to rename it and rename the file as before index.html. And now you can see I've uploaded that file onto my domain. Okay, but initially if we go through this test, we'll see that although if I use the uploaded opt-in page, it actually loads the Leadpages thank you page, and that's because we haven't yet reconfigured it. So if we go to the opt-in page and edit it, select edit, integrations, and we're looking for the third part of the integration, which is the URL. So currently it's on a Leadpages URL or landing page. Now we want to change it to an external. Select the external URL on my domain, copy that, drop that into the external URL, save the change, and then update the website or the landing page. So that's been completed. So if we now test that again, so we use the Colin McIntyre Online version, which is the /funnel franchise. Enter an email this time, and we look at the thank you page that's loaded, and that is now the same Colin McIntyre Online. So both files are now working from the domain, from my own domain. So there's one more really important thing to say about moving those landing pages and thank you page onto your own domain, and it's what it means by dynamic. What it actually means by dynamic is that it's only a redirect. So there's a little bit of code on your domain which is facing back to the Leadpages pages or the Leadpages code. That means when you update your files in Leadpages, automatically they're updated on your domain. So that's what it means by dynamic. That's what makes this a really nifty little feature. So I hope you found that short video useful. If you did, please subscribe to my channel where I'll give you more tips. Have a look at Funnel Franchise. As I've said, it's a brilliant system, and it's the easiest way, I think, to get into affiliate marketing in an ethical way, to build very simple systems, and actually to develop into a really experienced affiliate marketer. So bye bye for now.